Daanan nga natin yung pailaw dito sa Dasma. Alam ko may pailaw dito tuwing December. Ito. Oh. Tapos salangan mo ng Jose Marichan sabay slow mo.
Looking through some old photographs, faces and friends we'll always remember. Watching busy shoppers rushing about in the cool breeze of December. Sparkling lights all over town.